Hello and welcome back to Learn English with Stories. Today, I will tell you a timeless tale, simple, wise, and full of natural English expressions. It's a story that teaches us the value of honesty and helps you practice your listening and speaking skills through emotion and wisdom. This is the story of the honest woodcutter. Let's begin. Long ago, in a quiet village near the edge of a forest, there lived a poor woodcutter named Ramu. He was kind, humble, and honest. Every day, Ramu would go into the forest with his axe, chop wood, and sell it in the market. He didn't earn much, just enough for food and a little rice, but he never complained. Greater than Ramu thinking, as long as I have two hands and a kind heart, I will be okay. One hot afternoon, Ramu was chopping wood near a river. He wiped the sweat from his forehead, lifted his axe, and suddenly, his axe slipped from his hands and fell into the deep river. Splash! Greater than Ramu, oh no! My axe! It's all I have to work with. He knelt by the river and looked into the water, but it was too deep and dark. Ramu put his hands together and prayed. Greater than Ramu, dear God, I worked so hard. Please help me. I don't have money to buy a new axe. Suddenly, the river sparkled, the water swirled, and from it rose a gentle river angel. She had a kind face and a glowing light around her. Angel, why are you crying, kind man? Ramu surprised. My axe fell into the river. It's the only way I earn money. Without it, I cannot survive. Angel, let me help you. She disappeared into the water. Moments later, she came out holding a shining gold axe. Angel, is this your axe? Ramu shocked. No, ma'am. That's not mine. My axe was old and made of iron. The angel smiled and went back under. She came up again with a beautiful silver axe. Angel, is this your axe? Ramu, no. That's not mine either. Mine was simple and old. For the third time, she disappeared. Finally, she came back holding a plain, worn-out iron axe, rusty, scratched. Angel, and what about this one? Ramu relieved. Yes, that's my axe. Thank you. The angel smiled. Greater than angel, you are an honest man. Ramu. Most people would have lied for gold or silver, but you chose truth. So, I will give you not just your iron axe, but also the silver and gold axes as a reward for your honesty. Ramu couldn't believe his ears. The angel disappeared in a glow of light. The forest was silent again, but Ramu's heart was full. When Ramu returned home, his neighbors were shocked to see the gold and silver axes. Neighbor, where did you get these from? Ramu smiling, from the river, but only after I told the truth. And from that day, Ramu became known in the village as the honest woodcutter. Honesty may not bring you riches right away, but it always brings respect, peace, and sometimes unexpected rewards. Did you enjoy this classic story? Did it help you learn natural English expressions, emotional tone, and useful conversation? If yes, then don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Learn English with Stories. Here, we bring you timeless wisdom and practical English through storytelling. Until next time, be kind, be honest, and never stop learning.